Tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Manscaped promo code. So Manscaped is an online store which is for men grooming. So now you might be wondering, can we get any discount by purchasing their products? Well, yes, you can. So first of all, you're gonna go to Google and you're gonna search the following: Manscaped promo code, and you're gonna click go. Alright, so once that is done, you're gonna go to this first website which says CNN coupons. So I'm gonna click on this website right now, and then it's going to redirect me to a new page. So here, as you guys can see, this Manscaped, that's the logo right there, and there are many codes right now. So now the first says purchase men's grooming items for 20% off when you use this code. So now, as you guys can see, the expiry date is August 24th and today is August 9th. So we'll have no problem using this code, and it's guaranteed that it's gonna work. So I'm gonna click on it. Now, as you guys can see, the code popped up right now. That's the code SIMON20. So you can just copy the code and paste it on the store, and you're gonna get 20% off whenever you're buying a product. Similarly, there are many other codes you can use. So for example, I'm gonna close this and get $26 off your order with this Manscaped code. So pranks 20. So that's gonna give you a $26 off when you buy a product from their store. So that's how code works for Manscaped, and you can always use them and save lots of money. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.